chair still standing there, all alone since the long night. Now it's 3 years on, and I still feel he'll come home and we'll be alright. But where's this healing time bring? I was told the pain would ease, but it still hurts like the first night. That night my brother, my mother and I were looking up at a distant star and wishing we could reach that far. And back in the house and alone for the first time, we told each other we cared. We avoided my father's chair. I watch my family, we hold on, we are strong, we'll be alright. The clock continues counting down all the while, and every child will share the long night. But do the spirits meet again? Why am I still so filled with doubt? Soul everlasting. In the far distant future, when I knew you'd be gone, it came too fast, it stays too long. Why do they leave the weak of spirit and take the strong? The world turns sour and I get sick from the smell, and I can't find no comfort there. I climb into my father's